Now in this lecture we see the different type of chiller and their energy efficiency. So this is chart air cooled chiller with condenser electrically operated. So here if the capacity of air cooled chiller is less than 150 ton, then their coefficient of performance is 2.80, and if it exceed 150 ton, then its coefficient of power is also 2.80. 80. So air cooled chiller without condenser electrically operated, its coefficient of performance is 3.10. So water cooled chiller electrically operated, if we can use positive displacement pump in positive displacement compressors in water cooled chiller, then their coefficient of performance is 4.20. So here you see the coefficient of performance of water cooled chiller is very high as compared to air cooled chiller, so it is more efficient. So water cooled chiller electrically operated with rotor screw or scroll pump compressor, so their coefficient of performance is 4.45. so it's also, so if we use a rotary screw compressor in water cooled chiller, then that chiller is more efficient, energy efficient than the chiller in which we use reciprocating compressor. So a water cooled chiller with electrically operated with centrifugal pump, so centrifugal compressors, so their coefficient of performance is 5 or 5. If its capacity increase from 150 to 300 ton, then their coefficient of performance is 5.55. And if we use centrifugal compressor in the chiller, water cooled chiller whose capacity is beyond 300 ton, then its coefficient of performance is 6.10. so this capacity is very high. So we recommend that if for cooling you can use, if your tonnage is very high, then you must use this water cooled chiller, centrifugal chiller with centrifugal compressor, because it can save a lot of energy. It is more efficient than other all type of chillers. So air cooled absorption single effect chiller have coefficient of performance 0.60. Water cooled absorption single effect have coefficient of performance 0.70. Absorption double effect coefficient of performance is 1. Absorption double effect direct fired having 1 coefficient of performance. So this is a complete data for the energy efficiency of all types of chiller. For district cooling system, I personally recommend this water cooled chiller with water cooled centrifugal type chiller, because it is more energy efficient than other all type of chiller.